Is the homeowner home? What's up, bro? My name is David. I'm a painter.
Yeah.
I was wondering, is the homeowner home?
Yeah.
Oh, how you doing?
Hey, what's up?
All right. I was wanting to see if you wanted to get your house painted.
Nah.
You own the home?
Yeah.
Okay. You know what I'm gonna do for you, man? I'm gonna paint this for you, so if you don't mind. But I go around and I try to find a house that may need painted.
Yeah.
And if they can't afford to paint it, I'll paint it for them.
Okay.
So I'm gonna paint this for you. I just need probably about 2 weeks. Everything. All right, guys, today is the day. You see where I'm at? You see the house behind me? Yeah, let's get it done. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I wanted to start off by thanking everyone who supported this project and made it possible with their donations. I can't thank you enough. With your help, we made a dream come true. So without further ado, let's jump right into the video. First things first, pressure washing. All right, guys, done pressure washing. Just gonna give you an idea of the work that we have. We got some wood patches here. A lot of caulking. We're gonna do the deck as well. We're gonna paint the door. First things first, though, gotta scrape a lot of this chip paint. I don't take it down with pressure washing because it just spits it everywhere, but I'm gonna scrape and seal. Let me give you an idea of what it looks like. All right, it's a lot of patching in this window, a lot of chip paint, so it's gonna take. I don't know if you can see it, my shadow there. We got a hole there. And again, it's just a lot of chip paint. The house hasn't been painted in 20 years. So, and this side isn't that bad either. It's again just a lot of chip paint. Chip paint everywhere. I gotta put some primer down. A lot of chip paint here. Chip paint everywhere. All right, and this is the last side. Can go into zoom. A lot of chip paint, so I got my work cut out for me. Now, once we're done removing and scraping any of the chip paint, we like to use a concrete masonry patch to seal down the paint. And for the wood, we use a wood putty to fill any rotten spots. Now, after everything has been patched, sealed, caulked, and prepped, we spray on some high build primer. Fred, you want to walk around with me real quick?
Yeah.
Thank you, thank you. You'll close the door. I want to get a shot of that door. If you can, when you replace that, I'll get it taken care of.
Screen?
Yeah.
Okay.
That I couldn't. You got to replace that whole piece.
whole piece at
Cut
the
it
bottom.
out at the bottom.
Yeah.
But I caulked as much. I ran out of caulk. I did your mailbox. I don't know if you warned it. I just did it to freshen that up.
Yeah.
It's still some more caulk, and I got to get more caulk for the back.
You ain't gotta put it back there.
But it's.
Enough already.
I want to make sure you really, really like it. Especially like around these windows, I want to fill those big gaps because you can get ants and spiders in there. Yeah.
Like the blocks dropping down.
Yeah. So yep. A lot of that up there is just the wood repair that you probably need. And I gotta caulk all of this.
Yeah.
But I'm coming back with the next week with a case of caulk, and I'm gonna caulk some more.
Buy the caulk for you.
Oh, if you don't mind.
Yeah.
No, I get it.
I can do that.
One much I can do. Oh, I gotta touch up the door. One much I can do with the door.
I gotta take this off.
Okay, when you replace it, let me know. I paint it for you.
Okay.
I got a much. I was really focused on this soffit and this body because you know you had a lot of chip paint on it,
Yeah.
so it looks clean.
Especially over here.
Yeah, especially over here even on that side too.
Yeah.
But
Yeah, it look great, man.
this
Thank you.
you're welcome. Got your door done. You got your deck. I got all the way up there. If you want to walk out to the road with me, just to see. I know you probably don't feel like walking, but I just wanted to show you everything. I got everything. That's it, brother. I told you I was gonna take care of you.
Yeah, you did a great job, man.
I'm glad you like it. I'm glad you.
I appreciate you, man.
You're welcome. I'm so glad you like it. It still got some chip paint, but
Yeah.
anywhere you look, you should see clean. I don't play. I stand back and get under, but you good to go.
Yeah. Thank you, man.
You're welcome. Give me about another week. I'll be back with that caulk. You got your paint right there. You want to try to keep up with
Yeah,
them,
I'm gonna put it inside.
so we'll always know these colors.
Okay.
Other than that, you good to go, brother. You're welcome. If I see anything else when I come back, I'll touch it up. But I done walked around 100 times.
Okay.
That's it.
I get that caulk for you, though.
Don't worry about it.
I got myself.
No, I told you it wasn't gonna cost you nothing.
Okay.
My subscribers on my YouTube channel, they donate.
Oh, okay.
So they donated a little bit so I was able to get the paint. So they donate for me so I can paint so you don't have to give me nothing. So you good to go. I did your numbers and everything. I thought I'd go with the dough color right there to really make it look good. That's it, Mr. Fred.
All right, thank you, man.
You welcome. God bless you.
Yeah, same here.
Take care. I'll see you in a week.
Hey, this car here.
Oh, one more thing. I got to get the water hose out of the back.
Oh, I get it.
If you can just take it out, throw it out the door, I'm good to go.
Yeah, I get it.
Have a good day. I got a little stuff around here I'm gonna get, but I'm gonna still be here. Thank you, Miss Fred.
Okay, thank you.
Hey,
It looks really nice. You like it?
Yes, ma'am.
that's my wife.
It's beautiful. He did a
Yeah, it
good
is.
job.
You did a great job.
Thank you, sir.
You like it?
Take care.